everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing this cute little petite cake box. I got these little cakes, I'm going to show you, are the little Hostess petite cakes, and they're so cute and they're so good. I don't have even enough to fill another box because I left them in my craft room and I've been snacking on them. But anyway, I wanted to show what there are in here, and they're really cute. They're not as cute as they look on the outside because I thought that the frosting on these would be whiter, but they're more of a cream color. But they're still cute, and they make a really cute little gift. I thought they'd be cute for a friend for a birthday. Just some little cakes. So I'm going to open it and show you what they look like. So it just opens like this, and I've made this type of box before. This is just a little bit larger, I think, than the box that I've made before. So it just flips open, but look at them. They're cute. So it holds that, but I think it would probably hold some Lindor truffles. I mean, you could put a truffle in each one. You could put just any kind of candy. Put some different candies, colored candies in them. It would be really cute. So there's so much that you can put in it. But it's a really cute little box, and I love the window. And when I saw those, I thought they have to have a window to see how cute the little cakes are. So this is what I'm sharing today, and so let's go ahead and get started. This is a little bit of a longer process, but it's really easy to do. Okay, so for this project, you're going to need a piece of 11.5 by 6.5. So you do need a 12 by 12. And this is the lemon lime twist. You're going to need, let me see here, 2 pieces to mat it with, and these are 3.25 by 3.25. You're going to need 3 other pieces to mat it with, and these are 1 3/8 by 3.25, and that is the I'm not sure if it's still available. It is on the retiring list. It's the Birthday Memories. So it's this designer series paper. It's super cute. If you don't have this one, this is a must-have, especially for birthdays. So it is on the retiring list, so you need to check that out if you like it. And then you're going to need, for the inside dividers, a piece that is 5 3/4 by 3.5. So this piece is 5 3/4 by 3.5. Another piece that is 3.5 by 3. And then a piece of window sheet that is 3 by 3. And then a piece of scrap to punch out the little happy birthday. And I am using Teeny Tiny Wishes, which is retiring. So I'm using it for one of the last times. It's one of my favorite, all-time favorite. And it's got so many sentiments on it, and it is retiring. So if you like that one, you need to get it too. They are coming out with a new one. I already ordered that, and I already got it in. And it's a little bit different, but they are small little wishes. So, and then I'm using the mini chevron lemon lime twist ribbon, and I'm using the layering squares. And then this is the one I'm using. It is 2.5 by 2.5 inch square. And then you do need the big shot to cut the window out. And that's what we're cutting the window out with. Okay, so let's get scoring this. Okay, so we're going to score this on the 6.5 inch side at 1.5 and 5. Usually I do it the other way around, but this one, I happen to have it turned that way. I guess that's why. So 1.5 and 5. And then we're going to score the 11.5 inch side at 1.5. 5, 6.5, and 10. Don't worry about getting the measurements. I always tell you that I have them posted on my blog. I am going to do my PDFs a little bit different. Instead of going through step by step, I'm just going to list the supplies and the measurements, because it is very time consuming to write out all of the directions. Okay, so anyway, with the video you should be able to follow it with the measurements. Okay, enough about that. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut, and we are going to cut up this one here, and then we're cutting here. These are both measured the same on both sides, so it doesn't matter which side you start with. And then this side. And then do the same thing on this side. And then pick which side that you want the top to be. And let's go ahead and put it together, and I'll show you why you have to pick a side. Alright, first thing that we're going to do is sharpen our score marks, and then we're going to mat it. We're only going to mat, I did mat the top and bottom of this. If you don't want to mat both the top and bottom, you don't have to. Okay, so let's get our mat pieces out here. I'm going to mat the other sections after. We're just going to mat the two larger sections. So this one. This one. And then we're going to bring the big shot up, and we're going to cut the hole for the window. And look at, I got some new plates. I'm so excited. Every time I get new plates, I'm super excited. Alright, so we're going to have to fold this side over. You're going to place this in the center. And then fold that over, and yes, it's going to mark a little bit, but we're matting this, so you don't have to worry about it. And we're just going to run the top part through, like that, and just bring it back. And you're going to have your window. Save that, because look at that, it's so cute. And then we're going to just put our piece of, I'm going to use fast fuse for this. I would use fast fuse or tear and tape so it stays. This is a new fast fuse. I'm going to use all my fast fuse up, so you're going to see me use it for a while. And then we'll put the window in there. And so this is going to be our front. So you can see how that marked there, but now we're going to go ahead and mat that. So it's not going to, oops, I'm going to use Snell for this. So we're going to mat this piece. Both sides of this paper is so cute. This has a stamp set that coordinates with it too, which is retiring. I can't think of the name of it right now, but so then we're matting that one. And then this is going to be the front. So before we close it up, we're going to take the 1-inch circle punch and bring it like halfway, because we want a little bit of a notch out of here to make it a little bit easier to open. And then we are also going to cut these up at an angle like that. Just eyeball it, because it's going to make it a lot easier for you to fold and open up. Alright, so now we're ready to put it together. Again, I'm going to use fast fuse. Use your tear-in tape or fast fuse. I just put a brand new fast fuse in here and it's having a hard time getting started. There we go. I love the lemon lime twist. It's so pretty. I'm putting plenty on here. And I'm also putting it up here. And now we're ready to put this together. So we're going to just bring these up. Oops. I'm going to make sure I got that. Make sure your corners are good and square. Especially on this kind of a box, it makes a difference. And so you see how it's coming together. And then these just close like this. And it's like a little bakery box. I love these boxes, they're so cute. So then it just closes like that. Isn't that cute? Now we're going to put the dividers in. If you don't want the dividers, you can just stick candy in it just like this, or you know, even a small gift or something. But if you do a small gift, you really wouldn't need a window. But I love the windows when there's candy inside. So for the dividers, I'm going to bring up the scoring tool again. And we're going to score this. We're going to score the 5 3/4 inch piece at 1 5/8. So one 5/8, 2 7/8, and 4 1/8. I know these 1/8 inch ones are crazy, but for this box you really need it. So make sure you sharpen your score marks, and that's going to be the inside like that, and it fits in there perfectly. And then for this piece, we are just scoring it at 1 1/2. So it's scoring it in half. Okay, so then you're going to fold it over, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you are going to look where about halfway is. You can measure it out at 1 1/2, but I'm just eyeballing it and it worked. So, and you want to go almost all the way to the top, not all the way through, because then it'll break, but you want it to go as far as you can, and then this goes right in the center, just like that. See how cute? I love that. And you can move it either way. You can make it however you like. So there's the inside. I'm going to get some, I'm not going to put anything in it because I told you I ate most of the ones that were in there. So we're going to just tie a bow here. And I like the thinner ribbon for this because I still like to see the inside. And I'm just covering kind of where that divider is. And then I'm going to tie a bow. I've been really doing good with my bows like this. So watch me say that and it not work this time. I've been getting really nice bows doing it this way. Now that one's backwards, but it's okay. We're going to leave it for now. I'll switch it around later. And then we're just going to cut some little tails. And look how cute. I think I'll switch it around now. This way you can see how cute the end product is. It's a little tight on here, so I have to do a little maneuvering. There we go. There. Look how cute. I love how these bows are turning out like that. I'm really getting some nice bows. All right, so I'm going to grab my piece of Whisper White. I'm going to use some Memento Black. And we are going to punch the Happy Birthday from the Teeny Tiny Wishes. And we're going to use our classic label punch. And center that in the center. And then I need my lemon lime twist. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch another one. I'm going to cut it in half. Use some snail, and we're just going to layer this on top of there just to kind of give it a little accent. And then just add some snail to the back and add it to the front of your box here. And then I'm going to use some of our self-adhesive, what's the proper name for these? I don't know. They're self-adhesive sequins. I didn't realize I had my other ones in there. And I'm going to use the lemon lime twist. And I'm just going to put one on each side. Like that. And that's it. Isn't that cute? I love these boxes like this. I love the little bakery type boxes. They're so cute. So where did I put my, here's the other one with all the goodies in it. It's so fun. So you can put anything in these boxes, but this one's pretty good size. This one measures 3.5 by 3.5 by 1.5. So it's a good size. Anyway, I hope you liked it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampinwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.